Spread aluminum foil over your ironing board and tear off the right size. Put the board cover on top and iron as usual. The foil reflects heat, helping the fabric smooth out faster and preventing static. It also cuts down your ironing time and gives you a better finish. Each side of aluminum foil has its significance. There is a matte side and a shiny side. Each has a different use. Almost everyone has aluminum foil at home, but we often don't use it according to its proper application. There are two ways to use foil, with the shiny side up or down. One side helps retain the temperature of the food, while the other helps reduce it. To make it easy to understand, we'll show you how to use it. When wrapping a product in aluminum foil with the matte side out, it allows heat to pass through easily and reach the inside of the package. This is helpful for preparing potatoes on the grill. Wrap the potatoes in foil with the matte side up. Repeat this for the number of potatoes you want to cook. The potato will be perfectly cooked and not burnt. On the other hand, use the shiny side up to wrap a sandwich for work or food that will be stored in the fridge. Did you know that each side of the foil has a different application? This mix will transform your home. Start by preparing a bowl. Add coarse salt, not just a kitchen staple, but also a natural moisture absorber and odor neutralizer. Next, mix in 2 tablespoons of toothpaste. It may sound unusual, but toothpaste has powerful cleaning, antibacterial, and refreshing properties. Then, grate the zest of 1 orange and add it to the mixture. The orange not only gives a fresh, pleasant scent, but also enhances its pest-repelling effect. Stir everything well. Now spread the mixture onto a piece of aluminum foil, roll it into a ball. If the foil is too thin, use an extra layer to reinforce it. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes. Place the ball in your kitchen, preferably where insects tend to appear, like near the trash can or fridge. This simple trick keeps pests away while filling your home with a delightful citrus aroma. Wrap your car keys in aluminum foil. You won't regret it. Many drivers do this. This trick isn't for decoration. It's a simple and inexpensive way to stop thieves. Keyless entry systems communicate wirelessly with your car. To unlock the doors, the system must detect the key's presence. This means you don't have to take the key out of your pocket to access the car and start the engine. Unfortunately, this convenience is also useful to car thieves. They intercept the signal between the key and the car by placing a receiver near your home's entrance, where most people leave their keys. Then, they transmit the signal to a device that mimics the key. When placed near the car, it allows them to unlock the doors, start the engine, and drive away. Signal blocking pouches cost anywhere from $40 to $300. But the truth is, you can secure your keys for free. Just grab some aluminum foil from your kitchen and wrap your key in it. According to Polish police, this material effectively blocks the key's signal, making car theft attempts fail. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Wrap it in aluminum foil and put it in the fridge. Why? You're about to find out. Carbonated drinks taste best when cold. For many people, chilled water or soda is the only way to go. When a drink is warm, the go-to solution is usually ice cubes. The more you want to cool it, the more ice you add. But that waters it down and makes it go flat. So, when you're craving a cold Coke or sparkling water, try this simple trick. Grab some aluminum foil. You usually use it to wrap sandwiches or roast meat in the oven. Why? Because it conducts and retains heat well. But you've probably noticed, it cools down super fast too. A baking dish will burn you before the foil wrapped around the meat ever will. So, to chill a drink quickly, first run it under cold water for just a few seconds. The bottle should be wet. Then wrap it in aluminum foil. Use as much as you need. Once it's fully wrapped, place the bottle in the fridge. You can even put it on the door shelf. This helps the drink cool faster. You'll be sipping ice-cold water or tonic in no time, without watering it down with ice cubes. Place this foil above your bed, and you won't believe what happens. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of dark powder. I'll explain what it is and why it's worth using. Next, add a tablespoon of rosemary, known for its amazing aromatherapeutic properties. Then, mix in a tablespoon of dried lavender, which soothes, calms, and promotes better sleep. Stir the ingredients well, wrap them in aluminum foil, and poke small holes with a toothpick to release the scent gradually. Place this bowl under or next to your bed. If you prefer, simply sprinkle a spoonful of the mixture onto a piece of foil, fold it into a small pouch, and make a few tiny holes. The dark powder from the beginning of the video is ground cloves, a natural way to improve air quality, ease breathing, and reduce allergy symptoms. Hang the pouch above your bed or tuck it under your pillow. The soothing aroma will work all night, creating a relaxing atmosphere. This natural freshener not only enhances sleep quality, but also purifies the air, repels insects, and fills the room with a calming scent. Give it a try. Place aluminum foil under your carpet, and you'll see why so many people do it. This foil rectangle has several practical uses. Start by preparing the foil. Aluminum foil is not just for wrapping food. It has many other uses that can make your daily life easier. Tear off a piece of foil and fold it into a small rectangle. One use of this foil is to stabilize carpets, especially on smooth surfaces like tiles or hardwood. This prevents the carpet from sliding around while walking, increasing comfort and safety at home. Place the rectangle under the carpet to protect it from moisture. Additionally, foil can repel pets. Cats and dogs often avoid surfaces that crinkle or have an unpleasant texture for them, so this trick effectively discourages them from scratching or biting the carpet. Aluminum foil also reflects heat, which can help maintain a higher temperature in the room. It's an easy way to improve the functionality of your carpet and enhance comfort at home.